Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the VSHM Mr. Housekeeping. Once again, Jean, Henry, Linda.
We are all created by image and likeness of God. Jean Henry Lundang, representing Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
From Rio de Janeiro. Ethan Gris, nice to meet you. Love to teach you, love to freak you. She loves religion, it's cool, baby.
Set some goals, then demolish them.
Wow.
Work like a
I just wanna fuck, to say the least, darling. I know you wanna give me a piece of that ass. I can see it in your ass. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And you can try to fight.
Good evening, everyone. I'm George Miranda from BCHFM. From Grulio, San Diego, Zambales, and I'm member of Grulio Dance Group.
Motto in life, motto in life.
Moto.
My motto in life, basta lasing ako everyday.
You know my reputation, we ain't gotta talk about it, baby, I'll be about it. I ain't got no patience, so let's ride. We ain't here for a long time, we here for a good time. So take a sip of that Boley and unwind and let me fuck you bland, darling. I know you wanna give me a piece of that ass, I can see it in your eyes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And you can try to fight, but you gon' say yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm picking you, you're what I want you. I'm picking you, you're what I need you. I'm picking you, you're what I want.
1.
Hey, say this is how we roll. We rough, we tough, we bold. We come, we take control.
Okay, Mr. Jean Henry Lundang. Ang tanong ay, kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na ipakita sa tao at sa kapwa mo ang pagiging mabuti, paano ang gagawin mo?
Una-una po sa lahat. Naniniwala ako na kapag ikaw ang maging role model para sa inyong mga kasama, kailangan mo ng discipline, kailangan mo ng sportsmanship, at bago ka maging role model sa iyong mga kapwa, kailangan mo muna ipakita mula sa iyo ang pagdidisiplina, meron kang magandang komunikasyon, meron kang mabuting puso, para ganon ay masundan nila ang iyong yapak. Maraming salamat.
Follow-up question by Mr.
That's
Romero.
Kung ikaw ang papalaring maging Mr. and Mr. Sportfest ngayong 2024,
Kung papalarin man po ang manalo dito sa patimpalak na ito, hikayatin ko ang aking kapwa estudyante na sumali sa mga laro kung ito ay hilig nila, kung ano yung nasa puso nila, gawin nila. Kasi sa larong kada sasalihan nyo ay in fair sa lahat. Qualified mapa, lalaki, babae, LGBTQ, at lahat yun ay kasama. At kung mahal mo ang iyong laro, bakit hindi mo subukan? At yun ay magiging hakbang para mahikayat ang mga kapwa. Maraming salamat.
Good afternoon, Mr. Juros Poronda.
galing.
Ito ang katanungan ko sa iyo. Pwede bang uminom ng Coke pag coffee break?
Thank you for your wonderful question. Pwede uminom ng Coke pag coffee break. It depends to the
It's
person.
Ano?
It depends to the person.
Person.
Pwede kang uminom ng Coke. Pwede mo nang ihalo yung Coke sa kung malakas yung trip mo.
Malas.
Ako malakas trip ko. Kaya ako malakas trip ko eh. Kaya ako may with tinapay
With tinapay.
at kamot chips. Thank you.
Follow-up question.
Meron pang isa, may isa pa. Ang lamok ba, pag natutulog, nilalamok din?
That's very simple question. Ang lamok ba, nilalamok rin.
Ah.
Pag nakakulambo, di siya nilalamok.
Follow-up question again. Bakit ang uod pag namamatay nilalanggam? Pag ang langgam namamatay, uod din.
What?
Bakit ang uod pag namatay nilalanggam? Pag ang langgambay namatay, uudin din?
Pag ba ang lamok?
Langgam! Tsaka uod.
Pag ba ang langgam ay nilamok? Pag ang langgam ay inuod, yung langgam ay nilalamok.
Tama na! Tama. Ay, may isa ba?
Third judges.
Paano mo mapapakita sa kabataan ang pagbukas ng electric fan?
Pagbukas ng electric fan.
I will demonstrate them to open the electric fan with corkscrew and
Follow-up.
And?
flies.
Follow-up question, follow-up. Ano ang paborito mong number sa electric fan at bakit?
For me, my electric fan is high-tech.
Number!
Oo nga, my electric fan is high-tech.
So?
So, there's a lot of number. My favorite number is 91.
Why?
Why?
Because if you open it,
You op-
there is yellow.
Yellow? Ay.
To blow.
Last question, last question.
Last question daw.
Last question.
Yes.
Mahal mo ba si
That's very basic question.
Basic.
I will go to Kawali.
Kawali. 2.
And I'm going to cook him.
Hit! Talaga na siya.
Ay, pala.
Follow up, kung may pagkakataon na bumalik siya, babalikan mo ba?
Ay, katay ka dyan.
Next!
Ang lason ba kapag nag-expire ay nakakalason pa rin?
Maraming salamat sa iyong tanong. Nakakalason pa rin ito kahit na expired ito dahil expired na nga.
Nakakalason pa. Maraming salamat. Ginoong Adrian Villanueva.
We would like to call the attention of Mr. Jean Londang for the another question. Sa tingin mo, ano ang isang dapat na katangian ng isang manlalaro?
Ang katangian dapat ng isang manlalaro ay una-unang sa lahat, meron kang mabuting pakikisama, meron kang disiplina, at ang mga pinaka-importante sa lahat ay sportsmanship. Kailangan mo tumanggap ng pagkapanalo at pagkatalo. Sportsmanship is tumatanggap ka ng pagkapanalo at pagkatalo. At saka,
Kanina pa yung
ang
una
nasa
na yan,
larangan ka ng laro ay hindi mo dapat inisip kung paano ka manalo, kung iisipin mo kung paano mo laruin ang laro. Maraming salamat.
Picking you, you what I want.
Oh, announcement of the winner!
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now announce the winners. First, we will announce the second runner-up. Second runner-up will be given by Mr. James Ostrero, our defending champion, former Mr. Housekeeping 2023. Our second runner-up is Mr. Jean Henry Lunda. Congratulations! Thank you. Okay. I would like to call on Mr. Villanueva and Mr. Foronda to stand up in the middle of the stage and hold each other's hand. Okay. Ang tatawagin ko ay siyang magiging first runner-up, while ang hindi matawag ay siya ang tatanghalin. Mr. Housekeeping 2024. Okay. The first runner-up is Mr. Villanueva Adrian. Congratulations, Mr. Foronda Jr. Okay, you. Picture. Okay. James. Yes. Yan, smile. Picture na kayo tatlo. Sama ka, James. Game. Yan, sa gitna ka. Very good. 1, 2, 3.